How to grow a tomato plant. Easy step-by-step guide for beginners. Growing a tomato plant is an enjoyable and rewarding gardening project that provides fresh, flavorful tomatoes straight from your garden or home. At our channel MTECHD, we're here to show you how to grow a thriving tomato plant from start to finish. To begin, choose a tomato variety that suits your space and climate, such as Roma, cherry, or beefsteak. If growing indoors or in a small space, opt for compact varieties like Tiny Tim or Patio Princess. Start by planting seeds in seed trays or small pots filled with a light, well-draining seed starting mix. Plant the seeds about 1/4 inch deep, cover lightly with soil, and water gently. Place the trays in a warm location with temperatures between 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 to 27 degrees Celsius to encourage germination. Once seedlings emerge, move them to a bright spot that receives 8 to 10 hours of sunlight daily or use LED grow lights if natural light is insufficient. Water consistently, keeping the soil moist but not soggy, and fertilize every 2 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer to support healthy growth. When the seedlings develop a few sets of true leaves, transplant them into larger pots or directly into your garden. Ensure the soil is rich in organic matter and well-draining, and plant the seedlings deep, burying part of the stem to promote a robust root system. Use stakes, cages, or trellises to support the plant as it grows, keeping the vines upright and preventing them from breaking under the weight of fruit. As the plant matures, water deeply once or twice a week and feed with a high phosphorus fertilizer when flowers appear to encourage fruiting. Prune suckers and lower leaves to improve airflow and focus the plant's energy on producing fruit. Within 60 to 80 days, your tomato plant will reward you with fresh, juicy tomatoes. Harvest them when they're fully colored and slightly soft to the touch for the best flavor. Growing a tomato plant is not only simple and satisfying but also ensures you have pesticide-free, homegrown produce. Subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips, tricks, and inspiration to create your own thriving garden today.